Hi friends, this is Aina Rai and you are watching Career Defense School Ambala. So friends, this video is on Sainik School Kazakootam, Trivendrapuram, Kerala. So this video is for 4 crore Kerala people who want their child to study in Sainik School Kazakootam. Okay, so before going ahead, if you want to know about other Sainik School as well, so subscribe to our channel Career Defense School and press the bell icon button to get the latest knowledge of any Sainik School, military school, when are their exams, their application form. You can get everything from our YouTube channel. Okay, so coming back to this video about Sainik School Kazakootam. So this school is only for boys and their exam is held on 3 March 2021. So I will be telling you detail for the session 21-22. So for and the entry in the school, Sainik School, is in two classes, in class 6 and class 9, and their exam for next year will be held on 3 January 2021, that is on Sunday. So usually the Sainik School exam is on first week of January. Okay, so the main aim of the Sainik School is to prepare boys academically, physically, and mentally for entry in National Defense Academy. So this sole purpose of this Sainik School want that their child should be selected in National Defense Academy, that is NDA. Even in our school, that is Career Defense School, we prepare boys for NDA only. We have give them physical training, we give them mentally training is in the sense of reasoning, asking them situational question, preparing their brain for National Defense Academy. So this is the aim of our school is as well to get student in NDA. Okay, the third point is age limit. So as I already told you, the Sainik School entries in two class, sixth class and ninth class. For sixth class, the student age should be between 10 to 12 years. That is, his birth date should lie between 1st April 2009 to 31st March 2011. So the student should lie between this age group. And for class ninth, it should be of 13 to 15 years. So that is, their birth date should lie between 1st April 2006 to 31st March 2008. So that is the age limit in which the student should lie to get admission in class 6th or in ninth in Sainik School. Coming to the fourth point, that is curriculum. So in Sainik School, they are taught in plus 2 is taught in science stream. There is no arts stream, there is no commerce stream, there is only science stream in Sainik School. Okay, the fifth point is exam pattern. So the exam pattern is very clear. It is an OMR based question paper in which you have 4 choices and you have to select one. For class 6, the question paper is printed in 3 languages, that is English, Hindi and Malayalam. But for class 9, it is printed in only one language, that is English. Okay. Okay, coming to the next point, which is examination center. So the examination center is in Kerala. It is Trivandrum, Kottayam, Ernakulam, Kozhikode, and Palakkad. So these are the 5 examination center in which Sainik School exam is conducted. Okay, the seventh point is total number of vacancies. So this is very important point, and this point is especially for parents. As you can see, in class 6th there are 80 vacancies, and in class 9th there are only 10 vacancies. So that is why we always recommend in our videos that start preparing your child for competition from very junior class, so that when he can exam in 6th class he can easily get selected, as there are more chances of getting selection. So this is highly recommended to start preparing for competition to your child from a very junior class. Okay. So next point is admission. So the admission in Sainik School is strictly done on the basis of the merit, on the basis of their exam. They are saying they have no connection with any coaching center or any training center.